Wow. And this screen, through this screen, it just doesn't do it justice. The amount of mayhem.
Don't go out that, Teddy.
I'm going. It's for the journey. I must document this. Holy shite! Oh, whoever's cars those are, they are not going to be happy after this.
Oh my God!
That's what. Put it in the freezer. Put it in the freezer. Oh my! This is bizarre.
This is like really natural ice.
Don't eat it.
I'm not. So I'm just saying, like, if you were to catch some before it got really natural.
Oh my! Look at the hail just pouring from the gutters. This is unlike anything we've ever seen here. Of epic proportion. It seems to be slowing down, but who knows when it will return.
It just came back. It was like